The new flagship Core XY 3D printer of Creality, the K2 PLUS. We had the opportunity to test out this mega printer. Did we like it, or was it just another Creality machine? Stay tuned to find out.
9, 6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
This 350 by 350 machine is big and heavy. Yes, it's very heavy. It came in weighing around 55 kilograms or around 121 pounds, so we had to take it apart as much as possible to reduce the weight for moving it around. The printer itself weighs around 35 kilograms or around 77 pounds, which is still pretty heavy, but acceptable given its size. So this printer comes with perks that the community was asking for. A multicolor system named CFS that goes up to 16 colors, dual AI cameras for flow rate and failure alerts, automated bed leveling, 350 degrees Celsius max temp on the hot end, dual gear extruder, actively heated chamber up to 60 degrees Celsius, out of the box clipper powered by fluid. Yes, this machine comes with full root access. It also has step servo motors which will print in all quietness. Creality claims that around 300 mm per second print speed it will be around 45 decibel at max. It's got active belt tensioning system, built-in RFID tag reader for Creality filaments, Ethernet and dual band Wi-Fi capabilities. Very competitive perks indeed. The first impression we got from this printer is that either Creality hasn't designed this themselves or they got new engineers who has worked on it. The K1 series were compared to this machine much lower quality. We never really liked printing on that machine. Although on the K2 Plus we are experiencing very enjoyable 3D printing. The color swap through the CFS system are smooth and hassle free. We didn't have a filament jam as of yet. We also want to mention that this printer reminds us very much of another printer that's been on the market for a while, the Bambu X1 Carbon. Seems like Creality cloned the Bambu Labs machine and added some extra features on top of it, which is a sneaky and clever approach at the same time. But hey, we do like competing between brands. That brings the prices down and boosts the technology up for the end user. I'll show off some of the prints I've done with this printer.
Introducing PCBWay.com, a place to find a solution for all your electronic needs. PCBWay is the leading store in making custom PCBs, CNC millings, 3D printing, and much more. Get an instant quote for your custom PCB right now. You can also participate on the 7th Project Design Contest to win amazing prizes. Check out PCBWay website to find out more.
I must say, We only had one failure, which was due to a poop chute clog. After some inspection, we found out that the poop chute might have been made with some material that isn't really suitable for hot filament drops. Using some oil will help prevent the filament getting stuck in there. I used some olive oil. Since I've done that, it's been going fluently. We also remixed the waste filament collector that's included in the USB thumbstick that Creality provides. It's just too small. I'll share it in the description below in case anyone is interested. I'm impressed by the quality output this printer is capable of. It's very silent and prints fast. It almost feels like this is the X1 Carbon Plus that Bambu Labs should have released in the first place. So if Creality can keep up with releasing printers this caliber in the future, I'm up for it. I must be honest about me losing my interest in Creality products up until I tried the K2 PLUS. I think many will find themselves in the same category. Creality Slicer isn't polished as of yet. It sometimes gets a bit tricky, especially when you want to color your models in. I had to delete the model from Creality Slicer, then reopen it in order to make it work. This happened to me several times. Thankfully, you can also use Orca Slicer. The latest version v2.2.0 has the K2 Plus as an addable printer. The K2 is going for $1,499 for the CFS combo and for $1,299 and euros for the printer without the CFS. You should look around for special promo deals that Creality often gives on this machine, since it's a pre-order as of yet. I had to wait around 6 months to get this printer, but I'm pretty sure you won't have to wait that long. We will continue testing this machine to find out its full nature. That's for another video. I hope I could give you useful information about this new flagship printer from Creality, and you could decide whether you want to get one or not. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the thumbs up to help us bringing you the latest technology. Keep safe and bye for now. Bye!